It's a little cold out, so we're stuck inside. I figured I'd do a video on Mercury stands. This subject I'm absolutely not an authority on, but I think I've got it figured out according to Mercury's different year logos. This is going to be on all the cast stands, not the tubular stands that they had in the late 40s and early 50s. Late 40s they had a triangular tubular stand, and then they came out with a bent tubular stand in the early 50s, both of which I've seen, and they're real tipsy, so I didn't get into those. But anyway, so these ones here, this is a 1955 Mercury stand. It's cast iron, cast post on it. And the 57 logo, this one here, again cast iron post on it. 57 logo. This one's got the original caster base on it, which I've got a few of those, but I'm not crazy about them. They actually roll better when you put real casters on, the bigger ones, I should say. All right, so we got 55, 57, we got 64 logo. This is also cast iron, and it's got the cast iron post. Then the next one that I'm aware of is 71. This is also cast iron, but it's got an extruded half-eye post with a cast iron top on it that's bolted through. This is a really heavy stand. I think it's the heaviest cast iron stand. That's why I use it as a work stand. Over there, I got one as a work stand. Then this, as far as I know, is their last cast stand. This is 73. This is aluminum, so it's actually quite light. Just like the 71, it's got the extruded half-eye steel post, but it's got an aluminum motorboard on it. So the whole thing is pretty light. So there you go, there's the lineup. I think they came mostly with silver, like this one here, my work stand, mostly with silver on the lettering. Some of them might have been white, but I went a little crazy with the colors. So as far as rarity, I actually found this one is kind of the hardest to find, the 71. I don't know why. Seems like these ones, even though they're old, are the most common. Of course, the earliest ones are very hard to find. These are pretty common, and the aluminum ones seem pretty common. But that's the Mercury stands.